What is up, mi gente? Survivor here, bringing you another video, and today is gonna be a vlog. We're going to Tunica Hills with some friends. We're gonna try to have some fun. As you can see, I drove over here, and we're gonna go back and drive again because still have a long way to go. I'll check in whenever y'all make it. I'll check in whenever we get over there, okay? See you guys. And after a long drive, we just made it. This is the Clark Creek Natural Area. It's like a little hiking trail. And yeah. I think I made a bad decision with the shoes. If you live in Louisiana, you cannot miss the Tunica Hills Falls or Waterfalls. This is the first one we encountered today. And that's how you know you're entering somewhere where it's really dangerous. Be really careful, guys. I don't want you guys to, you know, hurt yourself. Just wanted to let you know I found a little friend. Look at Rita. Rita, say hello.
It's gonna be me that finds a better way. Feeling is strong, I'm getting right out of here.
Woo! So the reason why I wanted to do this video, it was because I want people to be active. I want people to enjoy life and just do things, you know? You can't always be at work or you can't always be at school. You gotta relax and enjoy yourself too. So yeah, take care of yourself, guys. Don't forget that there's life out there and you can have so much fun. All right, people, we're getting in. Ah! Let's go back in. The beauty of nature, people. I don't know if you guys can hear them.
Finds the better way. I try to move on, but it's hard to get out, and the wait is long.
This is actually the worst thing in the whole trail. Just climbing and climbing stairs. Come on. That's random people. Ricardo, what do you enjoy of this trip? His name is Ricardo, by the way.
Hiking, the water, the weather.
Oh, really? Trent, what do you enjoy?
Getting outside the fucking house.
You can't curse. You can't curse on these videos. So you gotta talk like a normal person. So yeah, guys, this is the beauty of nature. Look at my two partners right there. Y'all come and enjoy Tunica Hills if you live in Louisiana. You'll have so much fun. I hope this little video, I hope you guys like this little video. It's a little vlogging of what I did today. Well, this is gonna be part of my vlogging. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you enjoyed, subscribe. If you didn't, well, you know what to do. Thank you very much. Survivor, no, actually, Ricardo out.